Guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we are making one of my favorite summer desserts, chicharrones in the Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, when I hear the elotero pass by and I hear his horn, I know to run outside. But I go outside and I ask him for a bag and I'm ready to go. Just add my lime and chili, good to go. But did you know you can make them at home in 2 minutes using our Ninja Foodi grill? And no oil. Did I say that? No oil. So I am going to show you guys how to do that in our Ninja Foodi grill today. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi grill recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have the links to those items. But let's go ahead and get started to making these delicious chicharrones. Alright, so today all we're going to need are these Mexican round wheel Durros. You can find these at most Mexican stores. You can also find them on Amazon, and I'll have a link below if you guys want to buy them online. But you can find them at most Mexican stores, and it's not even expensive. I think it's about a couple dollars a pound, and it makes a lot, believe me. So you're going to need those. Also, if you like to have them with limon or lime or lemon, you can buy lemon juice. And if you like the chili Valentina, you can use any chili that you want. This is what we're using today. I have a baggie because what I want to do is put them in the bag, add some lemon and some chili, and we're good to go. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and turn on our grill. We have our air fryer basket in there. Select air crisp, 400 degrees, and we're going all the way down to 5 minutes. Okay, it might be faster if I press it. We're gonna hit start. We'll allow it to preheat and we'll be back. Alright, so now that our grill is preheated, you can take as many as you want and just kind of throw them in there. Now they will start to fly around at some point, but they don't fly around that much, so that's going to make a lot. So we're going to close the lid. It only takes 2 minutes. The only reason I'm doing 5 is just so that the grill doesn't shut off. But 5 minutes, you could do 2. If you want to just make sure that they don't burn. But 2 minutes, that's it. We'll be back. Alright, so 2 minutes in. Check it out. We have our, what we call them, chicharrones in my family. Some people call them durros. Some people just call them Mexican chips. There's so many different names for them. I'm going to bring them out. And we'll take a closer look right now. Alright, and there we have it. We have our beautiful, you can hear it crunch. These are really good. They're so much healthier because they don't have any oil. We did not use any oil, and they taste just the same. You can add some lemon if you wanted, and if you want some chili, you can add that on. And there you go. You have your delicious chicharrones made in the Ninja Foodi grill using the air fryer. Super easy, you guys. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi grill recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys all have a great night.